Hello and welcome to Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. We're going to do a test shot on a La Pavoni. We did the standard group head gasket maintenance and change out, as well as a pressure stat and a safety valve. Let some water into the chamber. See how our shot came out. It's just some test coffee, so not quite the crema you'd maybe be looking for at home, but still a nice shot, nice and smooth. Some nice steam coming out. Changed out the gaskets, nice and smooth and stops. There you have it. Thank you very much for repairing with Kanen Coffee and Espresso Machines. Please like this video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page. Thank you.